What if I told you that some engineers in America earn more money than doctors, actors, and even business owners? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it is true. Right now in America, engineers are building artificial intelligence systems, rockets, robots, electric cars, apps, and technologies that are changing the world. And because of that, engineering has become one of the highest-paying careers in the United States. But here comes the biggest question. How can someone actually become an engineer in America? Let's understand the complete roadmap. First of all, you need to understand that engineering is not just one job. There are many different types of engineers. Some become software engineers and build apps and websites. Some become mechanical engineers and work on machines and robotics. Some become civil engineers and help build roads and huge buildings. Others work in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, electronics, or even space technology. Right now, software engineering and AI engineering are among the fastest growing careers in America. The first step is building strong basics. You need good mathematics, logical thinking, and problem-solving skills. If you want to become a software engineer, coding is extremely important. Languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, and C++ are very popular in America. But here is something important many students do not understand. In today's world, degrees alone are not enough. American companies care more about skills than just certificates. That means if you can actually build useful things, your chances become much higher. For example, if you are learning software engineering, start building websites, apps, AI tools, or games. If you are interested in mechanical engineering, work on robotics projects or machine designs. Projects are extremely important because they prove you can solve real problems. The next major step is getting a college degree. Most engineering jobs in America require a bachelor's degree. Many students from around the world go to America for engineering because American universities are considered among the best in the world. But honestly, you do not always need the most expensive university. Even average colleges can help if your skills are strong, and this is where many students make a mistake. They focus only on marks. But companies also look at communication skills, confidence, teamwork, and creativity. That is why internships are very important. An internship means working with a real company while studying. This gives practical experience and helps students understand how real engineering works. Many students even get full-time jobs through internships later. Now let's talk about money. Engineering salaries in America can be extremely high. Software engineers in top companies often earn more than $100,000 per year. AI engineers and cybersecurity experts sometimes earn even more. Companies like Google, Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, and Amazon pay skilled engineers very well. But reaching that level is not easy. Competition in America is intense. Thousands of talented people from around the world try to enter the same industry every year. That is why consistency matters more than motivation. Technology changes very fast. New AI tools, coding languages, and systems appear every year. So engineers must continuously upgrade their skills. Now another important question. Can someone become an engineer in America without being born there? Yes, absolutely. Many engineers working in America today originally came from countries like India, China, and many others. Some go through student visas. Some get hired directly. Some work remotely first, and later move to America. But one thing is common in every successful engineer: strong skills. Because in the technology industry, skills speak louder than background. And honestly, the future of engineering looks even bigger than today. Artificial intelligence, robotics, automation, electric vehicles, and space technology are growing rapidly. That means the demand for skilled engineers will continue increasing. So if you enjoy solving problems, building things, creating technology, or understanding how systems work, engineering can become an incredible career option. And if you combine passion with powerful skills, engineering in America can completely change your future.